Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true classic, a car that represents elegance, history, and American automotive craftsmanship, the 1939 Lincoln Continental, and this particular beauty is finished in a stunning platinum color that just turns heads wherever it goes. If you're a fan of vintage luxury cars, or you just love seeing engineering from the golden era of automobiles, then stay tuned because we're going to cover everything from the exterior to the interior, the performance, and even the pricing of this iconic masterpiece. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why the 1939 Lincoln Continental is still revered over 80 years later. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior because, honestly, this is where the Lincoln Continental makes its first statement. The platinum paint gives it an almost ethereal look, it glistens under sunlight and has a presence that demands attention without being flashy. The design of the 1939 model is sleek and elegant, with sweeping fenders, a long hood, and that iconic flowing rear end that defines classic Lincolns of this era. One of the standout features is the suicide doors at the rear, a hallmark of luxury cars back then. They open in the opposite direction, giving passengers a grand entrance that's impossible to ignore. The chrome detailing is immaculate, the bumpers, grille, and headlight bezels all shine brilliantly against the platinum body, emphasizing the attention to craftsmanship and design. The front grille is large and imposing, with vertical slats that give it a stately appearance. The headlights are round, classic, and slightly recessed, blending perfectly into the fenders. There's a balance here that's rare. It's not overly ornate, but it exudes refinement. The wheels feature wide white-wall tires, which were a symbol of luxury back in the day, and they complement the car's overall stance beautifully. Every curve and line of the 1939 Lincoln Continental communicates elegance and purpose, and this platinum color elevates it even further. Interior. Stepping inside the 1939 Lincoln Continental feels like entering a time capsule. The interior is a masterclass in luxury craftsmanship, and the platinum exterior sets the stage for an equally stunning cabin. You're greeted with high-quality leather seats, often in complementary shades like cream or deep brown, which contrast wonderfully against the platinum paint when the doors are open. The dashboard is elegantly simple but stylish, featuring polished wood accents and chrome detailing that runs across the instrument panel. You have classic analog gauges that provide all the information a driver would need: speedometer, fuel gauge, oil pressure, and temperature. All neatly arranged in front of you. The steering wheel is large, thin, and exudes vintage charm, with a center horn ring that adds to its sophistication. Legroom is surprisingly generous for a car of this era, especially in the rear seats. Thanks to the long wheelbase, passengers can stretch out comfortably, and the rear seats are often accompanied by luxurious touches such as fold-out armrests and ample cushioning. If you love vintage detailing, you'll notice the door panels are lined with rich leather and wood trim, complete with chrome handles and knobs that feel solid and tactile. Every element inside this Lincoln Continental communicates a sense of occasion. It's a car designed to be admired, both from the outside and inside. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The 1939 Lincoln Continental might look like a stately cruiser, but under the hood, it's got a respectable engine for its time. This model is powered by a V12 engine, which delivers smooth, effortless power that's perfect for relaxed highway cruising or showing off in style. You won't get modern acceleration here, but that's not the point. The engine is refined, quiet, and immensely satisfying for a classic car enthusiast. The ride quality is exceptional, thanks to its independent suspension, a rare feature in the late 1930s. This gives it a smooth and composed ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections in the road without making the occupants feel every little jolt. Steering is heavy compared to modern cars, but it's precise for a vehicle of this size, and the braking system, while mechanical, is reliable enough when properly maintained. Driving the 1939 Lincoln Continental is an experience. You don't just drive it, you glide. It's a vehicle that demands patience and appreciation, rewarding you with a sense of nostalgia and elegance that modern cars can rarely replicate. The combination of the V12 engine, plush suspension, and commanding presence makes it a joy for weekend drives, vintage car shows, and simply cruising past admirers who can't help but admire its beauty. Prices and value. When it comes to value, the 1939 Lincoln Continental is more than just a car. It's a collector's item. Depending on condition, originality, and provenance, prices can vary widely. A fully restored, show-quality platinum Lincoln Continental can easily fetch $200,000 to $400,000 or more at auction. Even a car in good, unrestored condition is highly sought after by collectors due to its historical significance and timeless design. What makes it truly valuable isn't just the price tag. It's the story, the craftsmanship, and the fact that cars like these are increasingly rare. Owning one is a statement, a connection to an era where cars were designed to be works of art, not just machines. For enthusiasts, the Lincoln Continental is a crown jewel of any vintage collection, offering both driving pleasure and investment potential. To wrap up, the 1939 Lincoln Continental in platinum is more than just a car, it's an experience, a piece of automotive history, and a symbol of American luxury and innovation. Its elegant exterior, luxurious interior, smooth performance, and collectible value make it a dream for any classic car enthusiast. If you're into vintage vehicles, this car is a must-see, and if you ever get the chance to drive one, even for a short trip, you'll understand why these cars remain iconic decades later. The combination of its platinum finish, flowing design, V12 power, and craftsmanship makes it an absolute masterpiece. So, that's our in-depth look at the 1939 Lincoln Continental. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a classic car review. Also, comment below, would you take this Lincoln Continental for a cruise, or do you prefer modern luxury cars? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.